Gary.
Richard.
What do you make for me today?
Well, today we're making a little appetizer.
Yes.
What we're gonna make
Wait,
is...
let me throw this party real quick.
Okay.
We're involved in a collaboration with Everyday Cooking Dad.
Every good cooking dad!
Because he's cooking every day. So, anyway, so it's, we're doing Valentine's appetizer.
Valentine's Day.
Time.
Valentine's Day.
It's not Valentine.
I said time. Shut up.
There we go. Yes, okay, so we're gonna make some Brie grilled cheese on brioche with a bourbon bacon jam.
Now, I noticed you're not making the other jam that your wife requested.
My wife didn't request that.
No, she told me she thought you were making it. And then you said you're going to make both. Slacker.
Slacker. No,
I'm
her
excited.
brother asked for the tomato jam.
Okay. No, not that one. She wanted like some type of...
Oh, some kind of fruity jam.
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Well, sorry, baby, we're not doing that today.
I tried to help you out, Mel. That's right. I'm excited about the bacon jam.
All right, me too.
So am I.
Yeah.
So, all right.
All right.
Get after it.
Let's get out. All right, what we're going to start out with is, first thing we need to do is get our bacon rendered down for our bacon jam, because that is going to take the longest here. Basically what we're going to do is probably about a half pound of bacon, something like that.
Want some fat but not all, or are you gonna just cut it in bits?
We're just going to cut her in bits
Mhm.
and then render it down.
Okay.
And because we're going to want to save some of our bacon fat, we're going to do this all in a pan. Get our bacon in here. While that warms itself up a little bit, we will get going breaking down our onion. We're just going to slice it up because it's going to cook down for a while.
All right.
So for our bread, because we're fancy, we'll take our crusts off.
What are you doing with those crusts?
Into you. Oh,
There you go.
yeah!
Family germs.
Then our next piece is our wheel of Brie. Okay. Now,
You're cooking this more, right?
huh?
You're going to cook that more.
Yes. Don't worry.
Okay. I'm not gonna question you. George, Charlie, whatever whichever one you are, and if that's your real name.
I'm being repressed. So yes, now we start sweating down our onions. You can see we've got our onions sweated down a little bit. So next thing that we're going to add is we're going to add some brown sugar. About that much to start with.
About 4 tablespoons. 3 or 4.
See how that looks. Gives it a little bit more color.
Nice.
Going to add that. Then we are going to add our bacon back in. And of course, a little bit of bourbon.
Straight bourbon whiskey. Right there.
All right, so you can see
Rendered it down.
we've got all of our bourbon and brown sugar all mixed in there. We're getting getting real close to where we want to be on that.
We're gonna get some quality. Quality.
So what we're going to do is we will start assembling.
We're just having a hard time typing sideways.
Start assembling our little bits and pieces here, which is super simple. 2 pieces of bread, piece of brie in the middle.
It is kind of easy, Charlie.
Even you could do it, Richard.
Charlie, you could work at a school lunch lady.
Don't make me do the lunch lady. Okay, so now we got the blackstone turned down a little bit. Let's do ourselves a little test one here. One or two.
Slide that up. Slide that
So
up.
you might have to do them just a couple at a time here.
Now we hit it on the back side too. Yeah, how to do the sound stuff better. Yeah, you probably need more water.
But those two are well toasted. All right, we're about ready here. See, we've got everything nice and toasty. It is starting to get a little melty. Let's pick a couple of nice ones out of here. Then let's load ourselves up some bacon jam. Get that.
Yeah.
Make it look nice and pretty there.
Look at that. That bacon jam. Charlie, you did a wonderful job.
Why, thank you.
Well, I guess I should taste it first.
No. Just
That's
tell
my
me
job.
Just give me accolades. Just give me accolades.
Tell me how wonderful I am before you taste it.
Some bacon, onion, bacon jam? Bacon jam?
Bacon
Bacon
jam.
onion jam?
Bacon, onion,
Bacon
bourbon.
onion jam.
Bacon
Bourbon,
jam.
bourbon, brown sugar, bacon jam. All right, I'm gonna put that sucker right on here. Oh, no, I'm just gonna do the whole thing here.
Don't miss a spot.
Oh yeah. All right, let's give it a shot. We got this Brie cheese in here, this brioche.
Sure, I got it. Okay. I got your face.
Oh yeah.
You got that scary face right there.
Mm-hmm. This is good.
Does it feel like the paparazzi?
Oh man.
With all
What
these
kind
cameras?
of onion was it? Just a regular
I used to
yellow or white?
a yellow one.
Yellow? I mean, it's perfect for this because it absorbs the sweetness, the bacon, the onion, everything. I'm going to tell you that this is what makes it. I mean, Brie's not all that flavorful. And for it's like it's not a strong cheese, good melty cheese. So you basically have this grilled cheese in a way with this brioche. And you taste the butter. I mean, everything was cooked with butter. But I'm gonna tell you, this, it's like the icing on the cake. You know, that's what this is. And I mean, the sweetness. Was it just a half cup of sugar, or what? You know, brown sugar?
If that.
If that, and it's the perfect sweetness. It's not overly sweet. It's not candied. It's just perfect. Man, I got to take a few more bites of this. Oh yeah. All right, buddy. And the bacon The bacon's just a perfect complement to all of it. Man, I just want to eat this. Well, this is great. So, I mean, the more you render this, it's just going to get better. You know, and I would keep it hot. Even if your grilled cheese portion of it is not as hot, as long as your bacon jam is, it's going to be absolutely wonderful. Yeah, don't let that cool down. Just keep it warm, and it's going to be a great snack. Party, it's going to be awesome. And all I need to say is, while I stuff the rest of my face here with this, is just cook the damn food.
Just cook the damn
Cook the
food.
damn food.
And I know there was one food.
Obviously, you don't watch Saturday Night Live. Or old Saturday Night Live.
I used to. Just don't remember it. You drink, Charlie. Come on.